All right, I want to give you my review and thought on these bare knuckle work gloves that I got. Now these are a large. I'm gonna go over some of the features here in a second, but I've had all the standard work gloves. I've had ones like that. I've had different brands. Here's the big difference, right? Is that most of these are just two pieces of leather sewn together with an opening for the thumb, right? So these are split where your finger naturally splits or naturally bends. And that gives you the extra comfort and grip that you need. These things are, I mean, they are snug, number one. They're comfortable, number two. They have a great feel because it's genuine leather. And then just the overall dexterity I have with my hand, being able to grip versus something that is a little bit, you know, what most people are used to. These are great. I would definitely recommend these bare knuckles work gloves. They come in a variety of sizes, a variety of different types as well. Cold weather, all weather, different purposes. Great product. That's my review.